If you're not stacking two overdrives together on your pedal board, you are missing out, and that is the trick that we're going to talk about today. Now, you might be saying, why do I need two? I have one I really like. It's not just having two different flavors of overdrives or two different settings. It's what happens when you combine the two together, and that's right, turn them both on at the same time. So let's see what this all sounds like. Here's my clean tone. But let's bring in the Klon-like pedal, the Sugar Drive here, and see where we are with just that on. That's a pleasing sound. I mean, here's a chord. Very usable, very nice, very warm, transparent kind of overdrive. So after that, I've got the Tube Screamer. We all know and love the Tube Screamer, right? So let's play the same thing or something similar. Still cool. A little bit different tonally, though. It's definitely got a more coloration to it. It's makes the original sound of the guitar a little bit less recognizable. I mean, it sounds like a Tube Screamer. If you like a Tube Screamer, that's what it sounds like. But here's a chord. Again, not a lot of drive on this. I'll put the settings up here so you can see them. But if you were to combine the two, that is where the real magic begins. So here's that same chord. So where you can really start to hear a difference, though, when you stack these overdrives together is if you get rid of the pick, roll off your tone knob a little bit, and play. Now they're both still on, and you get something like this. Right? Now, if I turn one of them off, watch what happens. The Sugar Drive is turned off. Kind of loses some of that magic, but man, maybe you're saying, well, you know, do it with the Sugar Drive on and not the TS9. See what that sounds like. Doesn't have it, but bring them both together. Again, I'm not touching the tone knob. It's rolled back on the guitar. Put them both back on, and boom. So there you have it. If you're not stacking overdrives, you should be, because you are missing out on this kind of magic. I'm curious, if you are stacking them, which pedals are you using? The possibilities are endless. Also, if you're using certain pedals, what order do you have them in? I really like the Sugar Drive into the TS9. I don't really like the TS9 into the Sugar Drive. It does make a difference, particularly when you have two very different overdrives. So I'm curious to know, how are you doing it if you're doing it? What pedals are you using? Do you have either one of these? Do you hate either one of these and think that I'm crazy for using them? I would love to hear it. Either way, totally into what you have going on your board. I love hearing about it. So if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button and like button. It helps me more than you know. And if you're not done scrolling through your phone on YouTube and you want to hang out maybe on your smart TV or your computer a little bit longer, I think I might want to recommend that you continue on my channel and check out these videos right over here.